Hi friends, I'm Amy from Amy Latta Creations, and today we're creating a double fold binding. This is useful in many different projects. First of all, you can use it to bind a quilt, a wall hanging, or a table runner. You can also use it to create your own straps for a tote bag or zipper ends for a zipper pouch project. The first step is to take a strip of fabric and fold it in half lengthwise with the right sides facing out. Next, you're going to press so that you have a visible crease in the center. Open it back up, then you're going to fold the edges into the center crease from both the top and the bottom. Once you've done this, you're going to press those in place. I like to do that one part at a time, so first I'll fold up and press, then down and press, or you can try to do both at the same time. Once this is pressed, you're going to fold it in half lengthwise again along that original crease that you made. Everything is still right side facing out, and we're going to press this in place. Now it's ready to add to the binding of your quilt project. You just open it up and you stick your quilt project inside that first fold. For more inspiration, come visit me at amylattacreations.com.